Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Subway Surfer City game not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing, not working, keep stopping, or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now after your phone restarts, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game Subway Surfer City. And after that, here you should check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, you should check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. If the issue still occurs, you are suggested to install a VPN app so that you can play the game hassle-free. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of apps available over here. Install any one of them and after that change the location and then try to open the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, you should check if your phone needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if your phone OS needs any kind of update. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after removing the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Subway Surfer City game. Click on install option and finally open the game and check if you can play the game or not. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.